Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So this is our third video of the Java and Files. You can see here two videos are available. Java and Files is our new series where we are just dealing with Java technology and using files, how we can create files, how we can change the file location and everything we are just doing. So please start to watch this video from starting. Start to watch this series from starting itself so you can get more information. So in today's video what we will do, we will just define our directory. If directory doesn't exist, then what will get the messages and all, because last time we have did that, we have defined the directory and we are creating the file before this, we are just we have did that creating unique file in the directory. These things we have done. Okay, so today we will see how we can define the directory if directory doesn't exist. Okay, so let's do this one. So for this, before this I would like to just make you think that how we can think logically, okay, and how we can just implement your programs and all. So let's start in this way. Okay, so first of all what we will do, let me just show you the logic part. Okay, see here we are just defining 1 2 3, okay, and brand code, okay, and inside my files. So you can see here inside F directory my files there is a file, okay, that this is the file separator we have used, and then we have used the brand code 1 2 3. Inside this what we are using, we are just creating out the files. Okay, you can see here the complete directory here, directory, then file name, and then our that file, okay, with date. So let's one time just visit the directory also. You can see here F directory my files 1 2 3. Okay, so let's make some changes and see them what are the response we are getting. So you can see string brand code. Okay, if I will instead of 1 2 3, you can see here 1 2 3 we have make one folder. Okay, inside 1 2 3 we are saving the file. If I will just remove this 3, okay, and let's save the program and see the output. Okay, run Java application. So you can see here one thing, here we are getting response like the system cannot find the path file. Okay, this we understand because we have changes, and we are getting here one type of file also with unique name. If I will copy this name, okay, and I will search in my directory, there will be no files such file like this. Okay, if I will paste it here, okay, and run enter, I will not find any file like this. It means we are doing some mistakes, and how we can resolve that. Okay, because I want to make you think as a developer level, on developer level. And one more thing, you are a developer, so you are just understanding this one and getting, but this is not a proper way. Okay, because when you are going to deliver this to someone who doesn't belong to your field, so they cannot understand these things. Okay, so you need to print in proper manner, okay, in proper message, like directory doesn't exist or file path, please specify the file path and something like this. Okay, so let's do this one. So what we'll do for this one, because we are going to see directory doesn't exist, so what we'll get, okay, keep your program like this only, and let's check. Let's start. So I will write here if okay, directory, because we are working for directory, right? So this is dir, I am taking directory from, why I can write by manually also, but I want to show that from where I am taking this dir. And I will tell you, please follow this series from starting, so you will get a proper concept and proper clarity why we are doing these things. Okay, so let's see. Exist, if directory exists. Okay, if directory exists, then what will happen, just see, I will make it. Okay, and because if directory exists, then we will create the file. Okay, so this curly braces will come after this. Okay, because we are making if directory exists, then we will create our file, right, and remove from here. So till now you understand why we wrote if condition here and we close here. Okay, and then what we are doing, and you can see here from first video we did this one, file already exists, and second video we resolve this, because we are getting always unique file by using the DTF format. Okay, so this line is not important for us, so I can remove this comment line. Okay, and I can write it here like directory doesn't exist. Okay, I will write here directory does not exist. Okay, please specify, please. So, okay, leave it, no problem, no need to pass the time, you just understand by. Okay, and one more thing, if we are generating our file, okay, creating our file, so we need to get the file location inside this one, okay, result, in a true result. Okay, file created means we need to get the file location. So I will remove this line, I will comment this line actually from here, okay, and I will keep this line inside this one, okay, if this condition, and I will just make some more changes like file dot get absolute path, so it will look little more you can say professional and nice. So now just clear this one, okay, save this one, okay, and now run your program and see what the output we are getting. So don't skip the video, please watch till end, because I want to make you like think on developer level and understand more feasibly. Okay, so see here, we are not getting error message like before. Okay, I changed the 123 to 12, and I was getting a red colors and writing like a file doesn't please specify the proper file path, and that's for developer only, not for the non-technical person. So now you can submit this one to non-technical person also, and they can understand that directory doesn't exist. If I will write proper thing here, okay, like 3 I am writing, okay, this is belong to our location, okay, and just Java application, run on Java application, and see here we are getting the file location, file created, and we are getting this message also. Okay, so you can see whatever I am writing, just like I am printing the computer tips and programming and all, and we are getting like this one message. Okay, so I think you have understand how we can implement this also. If directory doesn't exist, so what message we can print? If directory exists, then what message we can print? Now there will be one more concept, how we can create the directory automatic. So we will talk about this topic in next video. So please connected with me and stay tuned with this series, so you can get more and more knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.